everyone, I'm Jill and this is YesterKitchen. This is a special message to every single one of my amazing subscribers. I'm just gonna come right out with it. This is gonna be my last video for a while. I need a break. For those of you that have YouTube channels, you know how much of work it is. For those of you that don't, it's a lot of work and it's nonstop. And as much as I love it and I love sharing my passion, I need to take a break. I am retired and I'm really not retired because I'm working all the time. And so I decided I want to just kind of experience just retirement, go places with hubby, travel around the world and do things. I am leaving Idaho. I am going to Palm Springs. I'm going to bring one tripod with me. So in case I find some cool recipes along the way, I'll shoot like a video here and there. But I want to thank you. I want to thank you so much. It's been a little over 3 years, a little over 250 episodes, and it's been just an absolute amazing journey. And by the way, I'm doing this up close video because when I did my cherry pie video, my cherry pie salad video, you said you liked it. So I thought I would give my final episode close up so I can talk to you. My heart is beyond full. I'm so surprised that this channel ever grew this big. I'm so honored that so many of you share my love of retro food and retro history and all the stories behind the dishes. Here's the thing. First of all, if you don't know, I have a Facebook group. Yay! YesterKitchen. So many people are on there that just love retro as much as we all do. And I encourage you to join because I am going to be active there. I try to post at least 3-4 times a week. I reply to comments. I'll put the link right down below. And it's just people that just want to share their memories. People share, their favorite foods as kids. Sometimes we see commercials. Sometimes we talk about TV shows. It's all in the past. It is all fabulous. I encourage you to join because then we'll still be able to keep touch. Also, I've still got this. This book is doing so well. Every dish has a story. I'm absolutely amazed how well it's doing. Every chapter is an individual story from someone sharing their story about the one dish that brings them back to their childhood. Every chapter ends with that recipe. If you haven't gotten it, it's on Amazon and it's on Barnes & Noble. I'll put those links down below. Also, if you want to keep the retro cooking in your kitchen alive, I do have a cookbook, a real cookbook. It's an e-cookbook only, and it is, I'm going to put the link right down below. When you click on the link for the cookbook, whoop, there goes my sleeve. When you click the link on the cookbook, go about halfway down the page and you'll see the cookbook. You'll be able to get it. It's very inexpensive. And I had it set up so you can actually, if you see a recipe in the table of contents, you just click on the table of contents, it'll take you right to the recipe. And it ends with, it goes in order, every single recipe almost that I've ever made in order through Aunt Echo's enchiladas. So it starts with Thousand Island dressing. My first video, oh my God, you can totally see how much I've progressed. to Aunt Echo's enchiladas, which is a wonderful family recipe. I had to stop somewhere, and the reason I stopped is because I thought that was a good time, and I really hadn't made my decision to take a break yet, which is why I didn't just go through the end. So you still 260 plus pages of recipes, pictures of every recipe. Like I said, clickable table of contents. So hopefully you will enjoy that. And of course, I always have my merch, which my shot glasses say, every drink has a story, because they do too. I've got coffee mugs. I know I have flasks on there. I have aprons on there. I have t-shirts and tank tops on there, so you can still have YesterKitchen in your life. I also want to thank someone very special. Most people who have channels edit their own. I can't. I tried. I failed miserably. I have an editor. I have an amazing editor. So Andrew, I want to take a minute to thank you. Andrew he's been with me for quite a while. He makes me look so much better than I really do. He's the one putting everything on the screen, and I give him ideas, but he also has full creative license, and he does such an amazing job. And I'm very lucky. And he just got married, so congratulations, Andrew. So I want to thank you, Andrew, so much for being my partner in this. I guess you're the silent partner that everybody knows about now. And I'm just honored honored for the relationship, and I'm very honored for the friendship that we've developed. So with all of that, I want to thank you one more time for always being there every week, supporting me, sharing your stories, which really inspired this book. All your comments were just a joy to read. I have so much fun replying. I'll still reply. So you have 250 episodes to go back to. So anytime you comment, chances are I'll see them. High chances I'll reply, unless I'm out of the country, which I don't have any plans immediately. But I'm still here, and I'm still take my cookbooks everywhere I go, and I still love retro. And so please join me on Facebook so we can keep the relationship going. And I think that's it. So anyway, I am sending you so much love for all the love you've sent me. And one last time, my treasured martini, thank you so much for always being there, because every dish has a story. Thank you so much. Have a beautiful day.